Hey guys, Fernando from Fixapedia here. Today I've got a computer that I did a fresh install for Windows 7 and it's giving me this error over here, 872EFE. I got the drivers installed. I've done pretty much basic things to get it solved. Was looking for a lot of solutions online, but normally what eventually happens is this version doesn't have Service Pack 1. So if you have a clean install for Windows 7 without the Service Pack 1, all you have to do is first I'd install Google Chrome so you can navigate through the internet better, because the Windows Explorer is going to be a little bit out of date as well. Then get Windows Service Pack 1, install it, and restart and try and do the update again, because it's most certainly going to work. I'm going to leave the links down below, so you just have to choose your operating system, if it's a 64-bit or 32-bit, and hope it helps. I'll come back and see how this one's going after it's done. But I think that should be the solution for this. And I'm just doing this because it's easier to have this installed first before installing the Windows 10 update, because if you install the Windows 10 update to this Windows 7, it's going to automatically activate it with a digital license, so it won't have any of those problems of activation that normally people have. And that's what I'm going to do next, so see you in a bit. Okay, so I just finished installing the Windows 7 Service Pack 1, and it's still giving me the error, and I just found a correction pack, which is this KB3138612. I'll leave the link also in the description, and you just have to see if it's your 32 or 64-bit version. Then restart the computer and let's see if we get lucky. So okay, so finally it stopped searching and it got the updates. So I'm gonna start updating it, and in the end I'm gonna do a upgrade to Windows 10 and see how it goes. Okay, see you in a bit. Thanks. Finally, it's got the updates, and I'm just gonna do the updates for this computer, and hope everything's alright. If this video helped, give me a thumbs up, and like, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.